Model, 69-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L3 160 kg tipper head gasket non-runner no VAT. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 102,764. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition. Interior is indecent, average condition. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.